Hi, my name is Angelo Salamini. I'm the project manager from Contract Haulers. This video was to act as a recommendation for Savasi Cleaning. We've had the privilege of working with them over the last year or so, and I can certainly say that Leo and his entire staff has been nothing but exceptional. Whenever we had our dates assigned, they were always there in a timely manner. Their jobs were done effectively and certainly in a timely manner as well during the business hours. I highly recommend them to any of our partnerships or fellow businesses out there in the state of New Jersey.
Hi everyone, I'm Leanne Cieza with Super Restoration. I'm the Regional Operations Manager and the Director of Business Development for our company. Maintaining a healthy and happy indoor air quality is crucial to the success of our team, and ever since we retained Savasi Cleaning, Leo and his team have been able to achieve just that. Do yourself a favor, give them a call, get a quote, you won't regret it.
Hi, my name is Leo. I'm the owner of Savasi Cleaning Services here in South Florida. I'm here with my good friend and client, Nilson Ricardo. He's the owner of Ricardo's Great Pavers, and he have a few words to say about our cleaning services.
Hello, my name is Nilson Ricardo. I'm the owner, and like he said, from any Ricardo Great Pavers, we have a brand new showroom here in South Florida, and I'm very happy to have Leo that is working with us as a friend, and he's a very good professional also. And he got a company that is recently moved to Florida, and we are lucky that we got him to doing our cleaning. He's not only a cleaning, he's a very professional too, and that's why we hired him, and we wish to have his company in a long time with us. Thank you, Leo, for the very good job that you're doing, not longer, but we just know that when he started the right way, we can go forward.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.